Society serves northeastern South Carolina and portions of south central North Carolina on a frequency of weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted on every Wednesday, between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide you the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and watches affecting the following transmitters. For the listening area of NOAA Weather Radio WXK90, playing on a frequency of 162.450 MHz, located on the Educational Television Tower at Cheraw State Park in Chesterfield County. The counties are as follows. In South Carolina, Chesterfield, Darlington, Lee, and Marlboro. The counties in North Carolina are as follows: Anson, Richmond, and Scotland. This concludes this week's warning alarm test. This was only a test. We will now return you to your normal programming. The forecast for the South Carolina and Georgia beaches, Savannah area beaches.